Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Ram key. Having a properly functioning key fob is essential for convenience and security. Whether you've acquired a new key or need to reprogram an existing one, this guide will walk you through the process. We'll cover self-programming methods and when to seek professional help, ensuring your Ram's key system works perfectly. If you have at least one working key, you might be able to program a new one yourself. First, enter your RAM and lock the driver's door within 10 seconds. Next, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the RUN position. Then, press and hold unlock and panic buttons together, releasing both. Immediately press unlock and lock together, then release them. Finally, press unlock one more time. Your key should now be programmed. For newer Dodge Ram models, or if you've lost all your keys, professional assistance is usually required. These vehicles feature advanced anti-theft systems needing specialized diagnostic equipment. Both Dodge dealerships and certified automotive locksmiths can perform this service. Locksmiths often provide a more convenient and cost-effective solution, with programming fees ranging from $50 to $150. To ensure successful key programming, a few tips are vital. Always start with a new or fully charged key fob battery. Precision and timing are critical during the programming sequence. Any delay might require you to restart. If you are programming multiple fobs, do so within 1 minute of entering the programming mode. After completing the steps, always test your new key fob to confirm it locks, unlocks, and starts your vehicle properly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.